Hi, this is Abhiyavan and you are welcome on this channel. In this video, we are going to recreate the clip from the video of Isaac like this. Isaac is a YouTuber who has proven that anyone can monetize his channel with first and single video. Before that, it was myth no one can monetize his or her channel with first and single video. So it is interesting to know that how he edits his videos. Stay tuned till the end of this video. It will be very helpful. We have a screenshot from the video of Isaac as a reference. We decrease the opacity of this screenshot. Now we create shape line with the help of pen tool. We hide our reference screenshot layer. We rename the shape layer. Now we add animation over the adjustment layer. Adjustment layer will control the shape line. We will make animation over the properties of position and scale at the same time. For this purpose, we select the adjustment layer, we press P and we press S by keep pressing S with shift. We make animation over trim path. Now we make animation over the properties of position scale. For this purpose, we select the adjustment layer, press P and we press S with keep pressing shift plus S. Now we create second line shape. We repeat the same process for second shape line. We add trim path over the second shape line. We animate the trim path. We change the color of second shape layer. We increase its stroke. To add glow effect over the shape lines, for this purpose we add drop shadow over these layers. Softness will be 20. We duplicate the drop shadow. We increase the softness up to 80% for the second drop shadow. Now we add glow effect. All of the game depends upon the glow radius in this technique. We set glow threshold up to 60%, glow radius at 33% and glow intensity up to 4% for first glow effect. Then we duplicate the first glow effect and we change its only glow radius values up to 144%. We will repeat the same process for the second shape layer to add glow effect. To add text reveal effect, we create the text layer. We create animation over the position values of text along y-axis. Then we create shape layer with the rectangle tool. At last, we create alpha matte over the text layer with shape layer. Now see, we have created an amazing animation like Isaac. This is all about for this video. See you in next video. I hope you have enjoyed this animation technique. If you have, then like this video and subscribe this channel. Stay tuned with us. See you in next video.